Hey everybody, my kitchen faucet broke, so I had to replace that. I had to go to the road, turn the water off to the whole house so nothing started leaking. Took the old faucet off. This is how it works. The middle part there is where it mounts to the counter, and to the right and to the left, that's where the water supply goes. Everything from there down was under the counter, just so you have some frame of reference. That's how my old faucet was. So I take that off. Here's the new one. You see the middle section on the new one is for the water supply, and then to the right and to the left is where you attach it or tighten it down to the counter. It's the opposite, but it still works. Got me some Teflon tape, wrap the threads for the new one, and put it on. You see that? That's a shark bite attachment. I had to buy that because the little faucet under the counter where you turn the water on and off, that broke too, and it was made out of plastic. So that was leaking. So I bought this that has the connection and a brand new faucet for the bottom in one piece. It was really easy. Just follow the instructions on the package. There it is. That's the other one I had. You see, I had to cut that faucet off at the wall. I didn't have much space, but that shark bite just attaches. You push it down, follow the instructions, and it works. So I got everything functioning with no leaks. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Be blessed.